A great way to impress is with flowers, and a better way to impress is with flowers that you created yourself. My name is Robert Segundo, and today I'm going to teach you how to do an origami flower. If we look down here, you can see I already have my paper pre-creased. And what we want is we want to initially crease it this way by folding it in half, and then fold it this way and crease it this way to make sure we have this plus sign here. And what we're going to do is we're going to fold these points over to meet in the middle. Now I pre-crease this so we can move along with this. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take these points and do the same thing. Crease them to where they meet in the middle. Like so. Like so. And like so. Now what we're going to do is just take and fold it in half, the opened end at the top. Now what we're going to do is something that's like petal folding, really. It's going to be, we already have the creases here and the crease here on the back. What we're going to do is just kind of, we're going to open this up and then kind of fold it like so. Kind of a rabbit ear fold almost. We're going to do the same thing on this side here. Fold it in like this. Now what we're going to do, flipping it back up to this point here that's connected. Here's our open end, here's our pointed end. We're going to lightly, and this is where it's going to take a little bit of time and patience, you're going to have to lightly pull your leaves back off and pull them into like so. It's going to take a little work. We'll pull them out into a flower shape like so. You're going to do that on all four sides. Oops, I almost ripped that there. Now, as you can see, this is going to take on a tulip look. If I did this with thinner paper, it'd probably be a little bit easier to pull these strands out. Like so. Pull this side out just a little bit. Like so. You can kind of pull on them and adjust them. What we have here is the start of our flower, and what you can do from this point is take and start curving all of these leaves back. Like so. Like so. It's going to be kind of a 3D flower look to it. There you go. Like so. And like so. And then after you get those leaves pulled back, you can pull back the inner leaves. Just kind of, it's easier if you have like a pencil or a chopstick that you can actually roll these leaves on. And this thing's just going to kind of open up like so. There you go. If you take, just kind of squish it down a little bit. There we go. It'll stay. Basically, that's it. It's your origami flower. My name is Robert Segundo, and enjoy folding.